In this video, we will talk about how to change DNS server Windows 10. Click on Windows icon. Take your cursor on gear icon to open Settings. Select Network and Internet. Scroll down, click on Change Adapter Options. Right-click on your active network. It could be Wi-Fi or Ethernet. Select Properties. Here, click on Internet Protocol version 4. Then, Properties. Click on Use the following DNS server addresses. You can add Google DNS or Cloudflare DNS in here. I have listed both in the description. You can check there. For now, I'm using Google DNS. Simply click in there and add DNS server by using right arrow key and tab key. After adding DNS server, click OK. That's how you can change DNS server Windows 10. If you find this video helpful, then leave a like and drop your feedback in the comments. See you in the next video.